amongst this particular group, there's 7 normal Fulmar. There's one with a darker head and body. That's actually what we call the Blue Fulmar. Now, the Blue Fulmar there, this is the first one spotted in the islands for the last 15 years or so. So that particular one, it came back, it was first spotted 3 years ago on August the 14th. It was spotted the year after that, returning to the islands on August the 14th. It was 4 days late this year. It returned to the islands on August the 18th. But again, generally the first one seen in the islands up until that time, 3 years ago.